What's up, speakerphiles? Wellington here, and welcome to another sound battle where we let speakers speak for themselves. In the battlefield, today we have the JBL Charge 5 going up against the JBL Flip 6. As usual, I will be using a high quality binaural microphone, so for the best experience, please use headphones. With that said, let's hear the speakers speak.
You've been running around, throwing that dirt all on my name. Cause you knew that I'd call you up. You've been going around every party in LA. Cause you knew that I'd be at one. I know that dress is karma, perfume regret. You got me thinking about when you were mine. And now I'm all up on you, what you expect. But you're not coming home with me tonight. You just want attention, you don't want my heart. Maybe you just hate the thought of me with someone new. Yeah, you just want attention, I knew from the start. You're just making sure I'm never getting over you. Do you really wanna know about hard times? Do you really wanna know about these hard times?
I hit record a job, you can't ignore it. I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always boarding. Just out touring down in Charlotte like I play for Hornets. When I'm performing, never boring, now you can't afford it. Champagne Perrier, finish frames on my face. Looking like I'm from the deep, these no Cartiers. Pockets deep, bro. I can make it in my seat, bro. Do you, I'm doing me, bro. Making noise, use a beat, bro. Whoa. I press the button and the doors go off like, oh. That money clip was not a new, now looks like, whoa. Upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriends are like, whoa. Neighborhood on the scene, neighborhood on the strip. Neighborhood be the name, neighborhood no crib. Neighborhood that's me, neighborhood that's Nick. Neighborhood do the dance, neighborhood do the deal. Okay.
And there you have it. What did you think? Let me know in the comment section down below. Now, when it comes to these two speakers right here, Charge 5, Flip 6, they all sound pretty good. The main differences between these two speakers, the differences are all size related. They all sound pretty good. Great highs with all those new tweeters that they have now. The mids are good. They give you an EQ. The main difference here between the sound is two things. Bass, which is better on the JBL Charge 5 right here. It's running a 52 by 90 millimeter driver and a 20 watt tweeter in here. Well, as this is running a 54 by 80 millimeter driver and a tweeter too. So slightly larger main driver in here and a slightly larger casing or chassis will give you slightly better bass. And that's what we see here. Again, size related. Also larger passive radiators in comparison to this. So size related. The other difference is loudness. The Charge 5 is louder, which is also expected considering the size difference. In the end, these two speakers have the same sound signature. It literally sounds like the Flip 6 was just blown up, like made a little bit bigger into the JBL Charge 5 right here. They sound the same. You can tell they were tuned by the same company, and you can tell that it's a JBL speaker playing no matter which one is playing. It's just that the other one is a little bit louder with a little bit improved bass. I really appreciate JBL including those tweeters. They've been making a huge difference in the highs of these speakers. The highs are like good. If I was to choose one, I would probably take the Charge 5, mainly because it's louder and because better bass performance, slightly better bass. But that's because it's there and size is not a constraint. But I wouldn't be disappointed if I had to take the Flip 6. Like in most cases, if I'm traveling and I'm gonna be throwing something in my backpack, this is the guy I would bring. Okay, so Charge 5 if I just had to choose one between the two, but I wouldn't be disappointed with any of them because sound signature is the same. They all sound good. But yes, that's me. What did you think? Let me know in the comment section down there. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.